In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in floating windows. Start by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view. Now access it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and click on Floating Window. Finally, click on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and pick the perfect size. When you're ready, let go. To use this app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. And last but not least, to close it completely, select the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!